Hello students, welcome to Maths Reasoning class. Today we are going to start a new topic, patterns. Patterns are all around us. Finding and understanding patterns give us great power. In this topic we will use our mental ability and reasoning skills. So let us start the topic. In figure, squares are divided into 4 sections: upper side, right side, down side and left side. In first figure, upper side is shaded. In next figure, right hand side is shaded. In next figure, down side is shaded. In the next figure, left hand side is shaded. Now you can see here upper side is shaded again, then in next figure right hand side is shaded again. Now students, you have to tell me the answer here. Which portion should be shaded? Yes, it should be down side. Now you have to tell me the next answer also. Next will be left hand side should be shaded. So coming to the next example, see here. This is a Z-shaped figure in which in first figure, first corner is shaded by a dot. Now in the second figure, second corner is shaded by a dot. In next figure, upper side is shaded. In next, down side is shaded. Now you have to tell me the answer here. Yes, it should be upper side, dot. Now tell me the next answer. It should be down side, dot. So students, these are the example of repeating patterns. Now coming to the next example, example number 3. There is a box and one arrow is there. In second box, 2 arrows are there. In third box, 3 arrows are there. In fourth box, 4 arrows are there. Now students, you have to tell me how many arrows should be there. There should be 5 arrows. Now you have to tell me the next answer. Now here should be 6 arrows. Coming to the next example, there is a box in which 1 dot is there. In second box, 2 dots are there. In third box, 3 dots are there. In fourth box, 4 dots are there. Now students, you have to tell me how many dots should be there. There should be 5 dots. In the next, there should be 6 dots. So students, both are examples of growing patterns. Coming to the next examples, example number 5 is, there is a box in which 5-sided figure is given. Now you can see in the second example, there are 4-sided figure. In the next box, there are 1, 2, 3, 3-sided figure. In the next box, 1, 2, 2-sided figure. Now students, you have to tell me what will be the answer. Now there will be 1-sided figure. So students, this is the example of reducing pattern. I hope you may got it. Coming to the next example, here are few numbers inserted in the figure which follow a certain rule for their placement at different places in the figure. Generally, it is asked to insert a missing number. in the similar figure on the basis of the rules. So, let us start with the first example. 5, 4, 4 and answer is 24. If I multiply 5 by 4, the answer will be 20. If 20 is added to 4, the answer is 24. So, applying the same pattern in the next figure, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So students, you have to tell me the answer here. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12 and 12 plus 3 is 15. So here answer is 15. Coming to the next example, 30, 40 and 10. If I subtract 30 from 40, the answer is 10. If I subtract 11 from 66, answer is 55. Now students, you have to tell me the answer here. If I subtract 5 from 81, the answer is 76. Next example, 7, 8, 2. So students, 7 multiplied by 8 is 56. If I divide 56 by 2, the answer is 28. Similarly, here 6 into 4 is 24. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Now students, you have to tell me the answer here. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So here answer is 1. So students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Now you can try all the related questions given to you in the SNAP homework. Thank you.